Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making the system current and safe. Go to Settings and confirm Windows 10 updates are installed. Once done, open Windows Security and enable virus and threat protection if it is off. Run a quick scan immediately to catch active threats because early detection prevents spread. Make sure to schedule a full scan for off hours. This reduces user interruption. You should also check that real-time protection is on and that definition updates are current before moving into deeper steps. Now you dig into the core protection. Open virus and threat protection and manually update definitions so the scanner recognizes recent threats. Once updated, start a full scan and let it complete without interruption. If performance spikes, pause large downloads or background apps to speed scanning. Configure exclusions only for trusted apps, enable cloud-delivered protection for faster detection, and turn on automatic sample submission so Microsoft can analyze unknown files. Finish by cleaning and reinforcing defenses. Review the scan report carefully, then quarantine or remove any detected items. Restart the PC when prompted to complete remediation. After that, enable scheduled scans and create a system restore point so you can roll back if something breaks, and ensure definitions update automatically. If the scanner fails or malware persists, run Windows Defender offline for deeper cleaning, and use sfc/scano to repair system files. If problems continue, check for conflicting third-party security software and disable or uninstall it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.